Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Engagement. Engagement. Engagement means agreement to get married. For example, she'd broken off her engagement to Paul. She'd broken off her engagement to Paul. Synonyms: betrothal, betrothment, marriage contract. Enterprise. Enterprise. Enterprise means project or undertaking. For example, a joint enterprise between French and Japanese companies. A joint enterprise between French and Japanese companies. Synonyms: undertaking, endeavor, venture. Enthusiast. Enthusiast. Enthusiast means person who is very interested in particular activity. For example, a sports car enthusiast. A sports car enthusiast. Synonyms: fan, fanatic, devotee. Entity. Entity. Entity means thing with distinct and independent existence. For example, church and empire were fused in a single entity. Church and empire were fused in a single entity. Synonyms: organization, institution, establishment. Epidemic. Epidemic. Epidemic means widespread occurrence of disease. For example, a flu epidemic. A flu epidemic. Synonyms: outbreak, plague, scourge. Equality. Equality. Equality means state of being equal. For example, an organization aiming to promote racial equality. An organization aiming to promote racial equality. Synonyms: fairness, justness, equitability. Equation. Equation. Equation means statement that two values are equal. For example, now express the pattern as a mathematical equation. Now express the pattern as a mathematical equation. Synonyms: mathematical problem, sum, calculation. Essence. Essence. Essence means intrinsic nature or indispensable quality of something that determines its character. For example, conflict is the essence of drama. Conflict is the essence of drama. Synonyms: quintessence, soul, spirit. Establishment. Establishment. Establishment means action of establishing. For example, the establishment of a scholarship renews that personal interest of donors in students. The establishment of a scholarship renews that personal interest of donors in students. Synonyms: setting up, start, getting going. Excellence. Excellence. Excellence means quality of being outstanding or extremely good. For example, a center of academic excellence. A center of academic excellence. Synonyms: distinction, quality, high quality. Excess. Excess. Excess means amount that is more than necessary. For example, are you suffering from an excessive stress in your life? Are you suffering from an excessive stress in your life? Synonyms: surplus, surfeit, overabundance. Exile. Exile. Exile means state of being barred from one's country. For example, he knew now that he would die in exile. He knew now that he would die in exile. Synonyms: banishment, expulsion, expatriation. Expenditure. Expenditure. Expenditure means action of spending funds. For example, the expenditure of taxpayers' money. The expenditure of taxpayers' money. Synonyms: spending, paying out, outlay. Exploitation. Exploitation. Exploitation means action or fact of treating someone unfairly. For example, the exploitation of migrant workers. The exploitation of migrant workers. Synonyms: taking advantage, making use, abuse of. Explosive. Explosive. Explosive means substance which can be made to explode. For example, stocks of explosives. Stocks of explosives. Synonyms: bomb, incendiary device, incendiary. Extremist. Extremist. Extremist means person who holds extreme political or religious views. For example, political extremists. Political extremists. Synonyms: fanatic, radical, zealot. Faculty. Faculty. Faculty means inherent mental or physical power. For example, her critical faculties. Her critical faculties. Synonyms: power, capability, capacity. Fairness. Fairness. Fairness means impartial and just treatment or behavior. For example, part of my role is to ensure fairness to all parties. Part of my role is to ensure fairness to all parties. Fate. Fate. Fate means development of events. For example, fate decided his course for him. Fate decided his course for him. Synonyms: destiny, providence, God's will. Feat. Feat. Feat means achievement that requires great courage or strength. For example, the new printing presses were considerable feats of engineering. The new printing presses were considerable feats of engineering. Synonyms: achievement, accomplishment, attainment.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.